Hello and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Alethea and I appreciate you stopping by, and I would definitely appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications for any other videos on my channel. So let's get into me doing my nails. So first I start off by clipping my nails because I'm not going to wear my nails. So why let them grow and the growth just show up under my nails? I don't like that, so I go ahead and clip them off. And then once I go ahead and I clip off the nails, I go ahead and I buff all the shine off of my nails. I am using a sanding band. This sanding band is one of those small ones. I did get this from Shein and I do like it. Very precise, and I would recommend it to anyone. It's much easier to use than the bigger sanding bands. Now, as you can see, if you look over to the left, I've already sized out my nails and I've etched the inside of them to make sure they last. I typically get 3 weeks of nail wear out of my nails. I've gotten 4 weeks, but most of the time it's about 3 weeks, and then maybe 1 or 2 will start lifting, and then it's time for me to do my nails. And that is good considering the fact that I'm letting them stay that long, because I remember when I first started doing my nails, I was so antsy to do the next set that I would do my nails like once a week for no reason, none other than I just wanted to do my nails. Now, as you can see, I'm having to file a little bit longer, and that is because there was some residual left on my nails, on several of my nails. When I do soak them off, take the other nails off and soak them off, sometimes there is residual, so I get that off. And as you can see here, I am wiping my nails off with that swipe. You can see over in the left-hand corner, the Young Nail Swipe. And I was out of focus. I was out of focus when I put the dehydrator and primer on my nails, but I do put dehydrator and the Young Nails Protein Bond on my nails. And then I go in with a thin layer for a base coat. I always do a base coat on my nails before I apply my Gel X nails. Once I've done that, I'll let them sit under the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'll go in and I'll put my nails on. Now, one thing that I've started doing is I do not put as much glue. I never put as much glue as I saw other people put, but I've started putting even less, because what I realize is when you do that hunk of glue on there, it makes the nail higher on your nail bed, and when you look down up under, you can kind of see the glue, like the gap. So I don't like that, so I make my glue thin between there, so the nail will rest on my bed comfortably, on my nail bed comfortably. And I have found that this has been great for me. I've been doing it this way now with my last 3 nail sets, and it has worked out fine. So if I have a little that squirts up above my nail, then I'll put it up under the lamp to cure just a second, just to get it in place, and then I'll dry the inside out. Now, once I get done putting all the nails on, then I go ahead and I put my entire hand in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then I go ahead and file. And with any Gel X nails you get and some other tips, there's going to be this little tip thing on there. I don't understand why it's on there, because these nails don't stick together. So why that little, maybe in the production they have to tear them apart, so that's why that's there. I don't know. But at any rate, I go ahead and I go around my cuticle to make sure I get any excess glue. And then once I do that, then I go ahead and I take a brush with some acetone on it, and then I'll go around my cuticles on, and that cleans up the cuticle area even more. And then the nail design that I'm doing on my nails, and I am going to have to do better with keeping up with my inspiration, because I did get inspiration off of TikTok, off of IG, off of one of those, I don't know, off of one of those platforms. I don't know which one, but I'm going to do better. I promise I'm going to do better, because some stuff I think of myself, but some stuff I do get inspiration from others. And with this, I did get inspiration from one of those platforms. Also, that nail, that fourth nail, that ring fingernail that has that white on there, that's because I spilled a little acetone on there, but it will go away, so I don't worry about that. Then I go in and I do a quick little buff of all the nails. Don't know why I do this. I just started doing it. No rhyme or reason. All right, so then this nail polish, it's like a clear pink. I need to get another one. I've just about used this up. It's by that company, Gaoy. I think that's how you spell it. And then this pink right here, I hauled it in a previous video. It is from Kiara Sky, and I definitely would not recommend. I had to do 4 coats of this pink polish to make sure I got rid of all the streaks. I don't know about the others, but the ones that I did purchase, it takes a lot to get them to solidify and look presentable. So I will not be purchasing any other polishes from Kiara Sky. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish seeing me do this little design. As I asked in the beginning of the video, if you have not, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment below. Click like and share this video across all your social media sites. I thank you and I appreciate you so much for coming to check out another video on the channel. So until the next time and between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. Deuces.